Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today our topic is Newton's third law of motions. In chapter name is law of motions. Then Newton's third law of motions. Newton's third law of motions state that to every actions there is an equal and opposite reactions. In mathematically or we can write in other words actions is equal and opposite to reactions. Now so block A and placed on the table B is a table and A is a box or block A placed on a table B. Block A is acts as a downwards force on B due to its on weight W. According to Newton's third law of motions, the table also acts on इक्वल अपवर्ड फोर्स. जितना फोर्स ए जो है टेबल बी पर फोर्स लगाता है एक्शंस जितने भी फोर्स हमारे नीचे की ओर डाउनवर्ड्स लगाते हैं ए सेम अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशंस टेबल आल्सो exerts on equal upward force are on the block A. The force exerted by the block A is called Action's law. जो A ने टेबल्स पे जो exerted force लगाया वो it is a Action's law. Will the force exerted by the table on the block is called reactions. जो फोर्स ए ने बी पे लगाया वो हो जाएगा हमारा एक्शंस. और ऐसा वो फोर्स विच फोर्स जिन्होंने बी टेबल्स जो है बॉक्स पे लगाया ब्लॉक ए पे हो जाएगा रिएक्शंस. नाउ इफ फोर्स एफ ए बी be the force exerted by the block on the table and vector of F B A be the force exerted by the table on the block by the Newton's third law of motions. Newton's third law of motions are actions force is a F A B is equal to minus F B A. This negative signs is indicates that the directions of action and reactions are opposite to each other. This is the third law of motions, Newton's third law of motions. Examples of third law of motions. Examples. First example, will pulling out bucket full of water from a well if the rope breaks the man falls backwards. It is our daily life experience. Will pulling out bucket full of water from a well if the rope breaks the man falls backward. Why? The force exerted by the man on the rope is the actions. The rope exerts equal force on the man due to its tension. This force is reactions. When the rope breaks, reaction vanishes. Hence the man falls backwards along the directions of actions. Another one examples. While swimming, the person pushes waters back. एक ये आपने एक्सपीरियंस किए होंगे अपने डेली लाइफ पे कि हम किसी भी पॉन्ड्स और रिवर्स पे जब हम स्विमिंग करते हैं तो अपने हाथ से वाटर्स को पीछे की ओर पुश करते हैं. देन आवर एग्जांपल, while swimming the person pushes waters back. Why? Action and water pushes him forward exactly will the same force, that means reactions. जितने फोर्स हम पुश करते हैं हाथ को पीछे की ओर, हमारा बॉडी आगे को रिएक्शंस की ओर मतलब आगे बढ़ता है. एक्शंस एंड वाटर पुशेस हिम फॉरवर्ड एग्जैक्टली विद द सेम फोर्स, दैट मीन्स रिएक्शंस. वी हैव अनदर बहुत सारे, हमारे पास बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स है. व्हील फायरिंग अ बुलेट फ्रॉम अ गन, द गनर एक्सपीरियंस अ बैकवर्ड jerk. Why? The bullet moves forward with large velocity due to explosions the gun power. A backward force act on the gun which is equal and opposite to the force which causes the motions of the bullet. Hence the gunner experience a backward jerk. This is many examples of Newton's third law of motions. Our next topic is law of conservation of linear momentum. Law of conservation of linear momentum. Now, when no external force is applied on the system, its total linear momentum remain constants. Repeating again, when नो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स, मतलब बाहरी जो हमारे पास जो फोर्सेस है, इस नो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इज अप्लाइड ऑन अ सिस्टम, इस टोटल लीनियर मोमेंटम रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट्स. प्रूफ्स. अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन्स सेकेंड लॉ, अकॉर्डिंग टू Newton's second law of motions, force applied on particles, force applied on particle is equal to rate of change of momentum, is equal to rate of change of momentum. If capital F is applied, force applied in particles is equal to rate of change of particle is dp upon dt. If no force is applied, that means force is 0, then dp upon dt equal to 0. आपको यहाँ पे पुट किया तो हमारे पास dp upon dt equal to 0 और dp that is equal to 0 are integrate this equation, then vector of p that is equal to constant. Hence when there is no external force acting on the system, the total linear momentum remains constants. Now another topics. Our next most important topics, rocket propulsions. It is most important topic for your annual exams. Rocket propulsions. The phenomena of rocket propulsion is based on the law of conservation of momentum, जो हमने previous topics में भी study किए हैं. Just it is a phenomena of rocket propulsion is based on the law of conservation of momentum. Due to burning of fuel in the combustion chamber on the rocket, hot and highly compressed gases escapes through the exhaust nozzle. जैसे ही उसके बर्निंग कक्ष में गैस बर्न होता है, देन हाईली स्पीड से एग्जॉस्ट नोजल से स्पीडली एंड हाई प्रेशर्स with high speed and pressures escape by the high exhaust nozzle due to the very high momentum acquired by the gases. In backward, the rocket required equal amount of momentum in the forward directions. जितने मोमेंटम से गैस एग्जॉस्ट नोजल से बैकवर्ड निकलता है, जैसे सेम इक्वल फोर्स लगता है रॉकेट्स पे, देन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शंस पे हमारा जो रॉकेट्स है वो मूवमेंट स्टार्ट करता है फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शंस, विच रिजल्ट इन द फॉरवर्ड मोशंस ऑफ रॉकेट्स, which results in the forward directions of rocket. The mass of rocket start decreasing. Mass of rockets start decreasing. गैसेस बर्न होकर के एग्जॉस्ट नोजल से आउटवर्ड आएगा, बाहर आएगा, देन इसकी जो मॉस होगा क्या होगा, कंटिन्यूसली डिक्रीजिंग होगा. डिक्रीजिंग ड्यू टू एस्केप ऑफ गैसेस, एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच इट्स एक्सेलरेशंस स्टार्टेड इंक्रीजिंग by force that is equal to F upon m. M is increasing, then the accelerations is also increasing. That means we can say which its velocity also increasing. This combustions of fuel is so adjusted with the velocity of ejected gas remains constants. Gas remains constants. Now in mathematical explanations, let the time t0, let t that is equal to time t0, the total mass of rocket and fuel be mu 0. फ्यूल विथ रॉकेट्स की जो मॉस है क्या होगा, स्टार्टिंग इनिशियल मॉस इज v0 एंड वेलोसिटी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अर्थ बी v0. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज v0 एट another instant of time t that is equal to t that is equal to small t due to combustions of fuels, mass and velocity of rocket becomes m is mass and velocity is v0 to v at time t. Let dm be the mass of fuel which burns out between the time interval t and t plus dt. 8 t that is equal to t plus dt, mass is decreased dm and velocity is increased v plus dv. Let the downwards velocity of the gases be small u, जो गैस की जो वेलोसिटी स्मॉल v with respect to rocket, then the change in momentum of rocket. In these conditions, change in momentum of rocket that is equal to m minus dm into dv at time t plus dt, and the change in momentum of gases and the change in momentum of gases that is equal to dm dot u. U is a velocity of gases, downward velocity of gas, Now, hence by the law of conservation of linear momentum, by conservation of linear momentum, the change in the momentum of rocket m minus dm dv, that is equal to minus of dm dot u, change in the momentum of gases. By conservation of linear momentum, change in the momentum of rocket is equal to minus dm dot u, or change in the momentum of gases. Here negative sign shows that the directions of u and v are the opposite. v directions forward and u directions backward, then directions is opposite directions. Or we can write in above equations, multiply dv m dv minus dm dv, that is equal to minus of u dm. Now but dm dot dv is very small quantity, is very small quantity, so it is to be neglected. So it is to be neglected. Then we have only m dv, that is equal to minus of u dm. This is equation number first. Accelerations of rockets. Now accelerations of rocket on dividing equation 1 by dt, dividing equation first by dt, then m dv upon dt, that is equal to minus of u dm upon dt. We know that dv upon dt, that is equal to a, ma, that is equal to minus of u dm upon dt. अब हम लिख सकते हैं क्या, the rate of change of velocity with respect to t, that is equal to accelerations, then ma, or a, that is equal to minus of u upon m dm upon dt. This is equation number 2. This equation is also known as accelerations of rocket. Equation 2 shows the accelerations of rocket. The negative sign shows here that the directions of a and u are opposite to each other. From equation number 2, it is clear that for the accelerations of rocket to be high, first the value of dm upon dt must be large. That means the rate of combustion of fuel must be high. dm upon dt की वैल्यू हाई होने पर एक्सेलरेशन की वैल्यू हाई होगी. The value of u must be high. That means the velocity of ejections of gases must be high. Now in this series, thrust on the rocket. Thrust on the rocket. The upward force acting on the rocket is called thrust. Thrust on the rockets. The upward force acting on the rocket is called thrust. Dividing equation number 2 by dt, dividing above equation number 2 equation 2 by dt, then may we write m dv upon dt, that is equal to minus u dm upon dt, or maybe right, it is a force F, that is equal to minus u dm upon dt. This is equation number 3. The thrust on the rocket is given by the product of the rate of consumption of fuel and the velocity of exhaust gases. Negative signs indicated that thrust and velocity of exhaust gases and directed is opposite directions. This is the force or thrust on the rockets.